Okay, so continuing the internal structure of human heart. Okay, Andy? This is the right ventricle and this one is the left ventricle. From the right ventricle, pulmonary artery derives. Okay, so pulmonary artery. So this one is the pulmonary artery. This one is the pulmonary. This one is the pulmonary artery. Okay, so this is the pulmonary artery. So this one is the right ventricle. Okay, Andy. So here we see this one is the pulmonary artery which arises from the ventricles. Okay, so pulmonary artery arises or derived from the ventricle. Okay, Andy. Right. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to lungs. Okay, and this is the function of pulmonary artery. Okay. Now we know about the systemic artery. So generally the systemic artery. So this one is the systemic artery. So this one is the systemic artery. Systemic artery. So this is the systemic artery. So systemic artery arises from the left ventricle. Okay, left ventricle. Okay, right. So the systemic artery carries the oxygenated blood from left ventricle to various body parts. Okay, so it distributes the oxygenated blood to various body parts. Okay, right. So both pulmonary artery and systemic arteries are arise from the ventricles. From where these arteries are arise, there is some valves that is called as semi-lunar valves. Okay, so semi-lunar valves. Okay, so this one is one of the semi-lunar valve and this is the semi-lunar valve. Both valves are present where the arteries arises. Okay, right. So that is the valves. The function of these valves prevents the backflow of the blood. Okay, that means if blood moves from ventricles to arteries, then it prevents the backflow from arteries to ventricles. Okay, right. This is the information about arteries. Okay, right. There is one point. Both arteries, so systemic, this one is the systemic artery and this one is the pulmonary artery. So both arteries are connected by the ligamentum arteriosum. So both arteries connected with the ligamentum arteriosum. Okay, ligamentum arteriosum. Okay, so both arteries are connected by the fibrous strand, by a fibrous strand. This one is the fibrous like strand that is called as ligamentum arteriosum. Okay, right. So this is about arteries. Okay, now we know the nodal tissues. So nodal tissues. So what is nodal tissue? So nodal tissues. Okay, right. So nodal tissues. So these are the specialized cardiac musculatures. Okay, so these are special cardiac musculatures. That means nodal tissues are made up of special cardiac muscles. Okay, so there are two types. They are distributed in our heart. So one is sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node. Second one is atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular node. Okay, these two are nodal tissues which are distributed in our heart. Okay, right. Sinoatrial node, also called as pacemaker. Okay, because why? Because the contraction waves are generated from the sinoatrial node. These are useful for heart contraction. Okay, right. So that's why the sinoatrial node is called as pace marker. Okay, right. So sinoatrial node are also called SCA node, also called as SCA node. Okay, so this SCA node or sinoatrial node present upper right corner of the right atria. Upper right corner of the right atria. Okay, so this is the SCA node or sinoatrial node which is present at the wall of the atria auricles. Okay, so sinoatrial node present upper right corner of the right atria. Next, atrioventricular node. So atrioventricular node is present lower left corner of the right atria. Lower left corner of the right atria. Okay, also called as the atrioventricular node, also present present closely atrioventricular septum. Okay, atrioventricular septum. So atrioventricular node are also called as AV node. AV node present lower left corner of the right atria. Left corner of the right atria. So close near the atrioventricular septum. Okay, right. Here we see one diagram. So this is the human heart. If we take, this is the supposed diagram, human heart. These are the atrias and these are the ventricles. Okay, here atrioventricular node is present because the both atria, both ventricles, they are separated by ventricular septum, and both auricles and ventricles are separated by atrioventricular septum. So the atrioventricular node is present very close near the atrioventricular septum, or this is the right one, right atria. So are also called as the atrioventricular node is present lower left side of the right auricle. Okay, right. And these are the bundle of fibers which are connected with the AV node, which are connected with the AV node. This one is the AV node, atrioventricular node. So these are the bundle of muscle fibers which are connected with the AV node. So these bundle of fibers are called as bundle of His. Bundle of His. Okay, so bundle of His connected with the AV node, atrioventricular node, which is present atrioventricular septum. Okay, so this bundle of these fibers continues through the